In the heart of a buzzing jungle, Monty the Monkey swung happily among the treetops, always curious about the wonders below. One sunny morning, he heard a faint chirping coming from a thick bush. Intrigued, Monty descended to find a little parrot with a tangled wing. With a little ingenuity and a lot of care, Monty gently untangled the feathers, much to the parrot's relief. Grateful and cheerful, the parrot, named Piper, offered to be Monty's guide through the jungle, unveiling hidden trails and secret groves. Through this adventure, Monty learned that moments of kindness forge friendships and open doors to exciting journeys.